Hi guys, welcome to Code World. I'm back again with other question. Today's question is Richest Customer Wealth. It's an easy level question in lead code. So before I start the question, read the question once. I hope you read the question. So basically, what they're asking is they have given a vector, multi-vector. What they're asking is they have give the I is the customer and I has invested this money in J banks. So we have to display which customer is wealthy, right? So if we look at this example, the accounts are 1, 2, 3. This is the first customer account details. There is money invested 1, 2, 3. This is the second person amount. So who is wealthier? Both are wealthier because both have 6. If you see in the second example, the first customer has 6 rupees. The wealth is 6. The second customer is has 10, and third customer is 8. So in this, who is wealthier? That is obviously 10. So we will display 10. You see, right? It's really very easy. You just have to sum it up and display the maximum. That's it. So I hope it shouldn't be a problem. So this is a code. Uh, we are just taking a maximum and we are initializing it to a minimum number, and we are taking a for loop, we are taking sum as 0, and we are iterating and we are adding up the sum in each interval, and we are storing the maximum sum, and we are returning the max. That is the max sum. So yeah, this shouldn't be very complicated. It does run, and yeah, even it should work. Yeah, it does work. So yeah, that is it in this video. Do like the video and keep coding. Bye.